Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw crypto from Changelly. For that, first of all, you need to open your Changelly application. Then you need to provide your login credentials in order to log in into your account. Over here, in order to withdraw your crypto from Changelly, you need to basically sell it. So in order to sell your crypto, simply tap on the option of trade icon here in the middle. Then tap on the option of sell. Over here you will be redirected on MoonPay because Changelly and MoonPay are integrated together. You can use MoonPay inside Changelly in order to basically sell your crypto. Over here you need to select that particular cryptocurrency which you want to sell. Then you need to select that currency in which you want to get your payment. After that you just have to press continue here in the bottom. On the next page you need to provide your payment details like the payment method in which you want to get the payment. After that you just have to conclude your payment. Once your payment is done, you are going to sell your crypto and get your money in your bank account. So this way you'll be able to withdraw your crypto from Changelly. Then you can use that particular amount in order to purchase your crypto or any other exchanges or on any other wallet. So this is how you can withdraw your crypto from Changelly. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.